Let's look at the respiratory membrane. Recall that one of the functions of the respiratory system is gas exchange, where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the alveoli, the air sacs, and the pulmonary capillaries. This is an illustration of an alveolus. There are several different types of cells that make up the walls of the alveoli. You have type 1 cells, which are simple squamous epithelium, and they will participate in the respiratory membrane. You also have type 2 cells, which produce what's called surfactant. This is going to prevent the alveoli from collapsing when you expire. In addition, you're going to have macrophages. As you move down through the airways and you get into smaller and smaller tubes, the mucosa gets thinner. Recall that the respiratory mucosa in the bronchi is ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. So you still have the cilia that can help move the mucus upward. As you keep getting deeper, though, that's going to change into simple columnar and then simple cuboidal. And finally, you're going to have simple squamous, and this is where gas exchange will occur. You don't have cilia here, you don't have goblet cells, and the only way that you can get rid of anything that has managed to make it into the alveoli is by using macrophages. So these are alveolar macrophages. These here are capillaries, these are your pulmonary capillaries. You're also going to have some pores that help maintain the air pressure. Let's look at the respiratory membrane. We're going to take a section here. That's an enlargement. It's going to consist of 3 layers. This is the simple squamous epithelium. There's the nucleus of the cell. Here is the endothelium of the capillary with its nucleus. Remember, this is simple squamous epithelium as well. It's just called endothelium when it lines capillaries or blood vessels. And recall that all epithelial tissue rests on a basement membrane, so the middle section here between the 2 cells will be the fused basement membranes. Again, you're going to have the alveolar simple squamous epithelium, the fused basement membranes, and the endothelium of the capillary.